Okay, so this is a Dyson powered flexible hose. That male part was taken off of a mini-motorized brush tool. It's got a insulated coiled power cord. Runs all the way to this Dyson upright handle, which is attached to a female connector, which I show you here. It was stolen off of a Dyson V7 dustbin, which was chopped down, disassembled and chopped down. It goes to the extension tube, and the brush roll works. Here you see me pick up the vacuum, and it sort of hangs down in my arm, which reduces the fatigue from long vacuuming sessions. I can get underneath furniture very easily without the V11 in the way. I just picked up a pill. I didn't know that was there. I checked the dustbin there. But yeah, as you can see, I can get under furniture very, very easily. It's very maneuverable. I show you a little bit how I can make like right angles and sort of push it along very easily. Turns. Works very well. I wish Dyson made these themselves.